Welcome to AI Fundamentals. In this lesson, we're diving into deep learning, an essential area in artificial intelligence. We'll unpack core concepts like neural networks, data processing, and machine learning in a way that's easy to understand and practical. Whether you're a tech professional, student, or AI enthusiast, this lesson will help you build a strong foundation. Let's get started. Imagine a future where machines don't just follow instructions but also learn from experience and adapt to new tasks. This is the core of artificial intelligence. From early calculators to today's advanced computers, we've been striving to make machines that think and learn. But what does intelligence mean for a machine? It starts with learning, adapting, and evolving. Imagine the first time you solved a puzzle. With each attempt, you adapted until you succeeded. This process of learning and improving is at the heart of AI. One major turning point in AI was moving from rigid programming to machine learning, where machines learn by example. Instead of programming every rule, we can show machines examples, and they can figure out the rules themselves. Think of a chess student who, instead of memorizing every move, learns strategies through practice. Similarly, machines started learning from data, adapting and improving with each iteration. This shift opened the door to creating systems that can think, reason, and even create. One of the most impactful advancements in AI is the development of neural networks inspired by the human brain. In our brains, neurons are connected by synapses to transmit information and create memories. Neural networks in machines are structured similarly, with layers of nodes or neurons that process and refine information. Each connection has a weight, which changes as the network learns. For instance, a network trained to identify faces learns to recognize patterns like shapes and textures, building a progressively better understanding of what makes a face. The language of data. Data is essential to AI. It's the raw material machines learn from. Every interaction, from a simple click to a lengthy conversation, generates data. Picture AI as a librarian in a vast library, learning from endless rows of books or data points. When properly organized and processed, data reveals patterns and trends that fuel learning. In this lesson, we'll see how data is collected, cleaned, and transformed to provide valuable insights. Learning through experience. AI, like humans, learns by experience. This concept, known as experiential learning, allows systems to improve over time. Think of a child learning to walk. They fall, get up, and try again, gradually improving their balance. AI follows a similar process, continuously refining itself through trial and error. Self-driving cars, for instance, use sensors to learn about road conditions, other vehicles, and traffic signals. Each trip provides data that improves the car's ability to navigate safely. Quality data for accurate AI. Not all data is helpful. High-quality data is crucial for accurate AI. Voice recognition systems, for example, need clean audio data to recognize different accents and dialects. In healthcare, AI systems analyze detailed patient records to offer precise diagnoses. Data must be reliable, relevant, and free of bias. Data pre-processing steps, like cleaning and filtering, ensure that machines receive meaningful information to make correct predictions. Feature engineering. Feature engineering involves transforming raw data into meaningful attributes or features for machine learning models. Imagine predicting house prices. Instead of only inputting the number of rooms, we could combine multiple features like square footage and location to create new insights such as price per square foot. This process allows the AI model to detect more accurate patterns and relationships, improving its predictive power. Effective feature engineering requires creativity, domain expertise, and data manipulation. How neural networks process information. In a neural network, data flows like messages through layers of neurons, transforming inputs into actionable information. For example, if a network is trained to recognize animals, the input might be an image of a dog. Layers within the network process features like shape, color, and texture, with each layer refining the message until it correctly identifies the animal. Backpropagation, a technique used in training, helps fine-tune these layers by adjusting the weights to minimize errors, improving accuracy with each pass. Understanding the learning curve. The learning curve reflects how well an AI system improves over time. Initially, a network might misclassify inputs, but with each training cycle, it gets better. Think of an athlete training for a race. Early attempts might be slow, but consistent practice leads to faster times. The learning curve shows where adjustments are needed for optimal performance, allowing researchers to tweak training steps and monitor progress. Fine-tuning neural networks for accuracy. Once a neural network has been trained, we can improve its performance further through fine-tuning, also called hyperparameter tuning. This involves adjusting settings like learning rate, batch size, or network layers to enhance accuracy. It's like a chef tasting a dish and making subtle adjustments to improve flavor. Fine-tuning can make an AI model more adaptable to new or unexpected data. The decision-making process in AI. In AI, decision-making relies on activation functions, which act like gatekeepers determining if information should move forward. These functions, such as sigmoid, tan, or ReLU, shape the network's learning dynamics by filtering data at each node. Choosing the right activation function ensures that the network can make correct decisions based on input data. Recognizing limitations in AI. AI systems are powerful but not infallible. It's essential to understand their limitations and weaknesses, especially when predictions are less reliable. Techniques like cross-validation help identify these blind spots, ensuring that the AI is as fair, accurate, and unbiased as possible. This process is crucial in building reliable AI systems for real-world applications. The cycle of learning and knowledge in AI. AI follows a cycle of data collection, model development, and insight generation. Each piece of information, no matter how small, contributes to a larger understanding. Think of AI as a tree. It grows, adapts, and sheds unnecessary information, creating new leaves of knowledge with every iteration. This cycle is central to the advancement of AI, enabling continuous improvement and learning. Deep learning in everyday life. Deep learning is embedded in daily life. From facial recognition on phones to recommendations on streaming platforms, AI shapes our interactions. In healthcare, deep learning algorithms assist in diagnostics and treatment recommendations. The impact of deep learning is far-reaching, transforming how we live and work, often without us even noticing. The future of AI and ethics. AI's future holds immense possibilities, from improving scientific research to enhancing public safety. But with great potential comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations are vital to ensure AI serves humanity positively. We must be mindful of privacy, bias, and fairness in AI development, creating a future where machines enhance human potential. Expanding the universe of intelligence. The field of AI continues to expand, creating new opportunities and applications we're only beginning to explore. Each breakthrough adds to our understanding, driving AI forward. This journey is like exploring an uncharted universe, with each advancement lighting the way for future innovations in machine intelligence. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on Deep Learning Foundations. If you found it insightful and want to learn more, subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for upcoming lessons. AI is shaped by curiosity and discovery, and your feedback matters. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments, and let's continue exploring the future of intelligence one lesson at a time.